Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that how to buy and sell SKY AI token on centralized and decentralized exchanges. Firstly, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now here you can buy this token on centralized and decentralized exchanges. So if you want to buy this coin on centralized exchanges, then click on CEX. Here you can buy this token on MEXC, LBank, XC.com and other exchanges. Now I will buy this coin on LBank exchange. Then click on this pair. So here you can start buying and selling SKY AI token on LBank exchange. Firstly, you need to log in or register your account on LBank. Then you can start buying and selling. Now, if you want to buy and sell this coin on decentralized exchanges, then click on DEX. Here you can buy and sell this token on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Dodo and other exchanges. Now I will buy and sell this token on PancakeSwap. Then click on this pair and go to trade on PancakeSwap V2. So here firstly you need to connect your wallet from PancakeSwap exchange. Then click on connect wallet. Here you can connect MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet and other wallets. And you can also scan QR code in your mobile wallet. After connect wallet, then you need to receive or buy BNB in your wallet. Then here you will enter number of BNB that you have. And finally you will confirm the swap and confirm the transactions. Now if you want to sell this coin on PancakeSwap, then click on this arrow. After that you need to connect your wallet from MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet and your mobile wallet. After connect your wallet, then here you will enter number of SKI AI token that you have. And finally you will confirm the transactions. So in this way you can buy and sell SKI AI token on centralized and decentralized exchanges. So guys, I have only shared technical process about buying, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.